like, subscribe, click the notification bell, upvote, and comment. If you're watching this on YouTube, come over to BitTube, library.tv, and also on odyssey.com. Join my official Telegram announcements channel, and please do follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT. Take a look at this, Opolo, the most secure, simple, and easy to use crypto wallet. If you order now, you get 47% off. Use my affiliate link in the description below. They are doing a fundraiser on Kickstarter, and they were fully funded in 19 minutes. It uses the world's highest security certified chip, 100% offline, all the major cryptocurrencies, and over 200,000 tokens. Link in the description below. Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits, and I have some good news. Good news. Another project is joining with the Blockchain Privacy, Security and Adoption Alliance. And I'm with the team lead for BPSAA, Draith, who is also the captain of the good ship piratechain. And I'm joined by Fadi, who is the co-founder of Opolo.io, which is probably the most secure cryptocurrency wallet going. And Opolo are joining the BPSAA as a partner. So this is an opportunity just to find out about them and to introduce them to the BPSAA. Hey Draith, hey Fadi, thank you so much for making yourselves available.
Hi, pleasure to be here.
Good. Draith, do you want to start by saying a little bit about BPSAA, and then we'll hand over to Fadi, find out about Opolo, and then why Opolo applied and why they've been accepted and what this means in the future. But let's start with an introduction to you, Draith, and the BPSAA.
Yeah, so as everyone knows, I'm Draith. I'm a captain over at Pirate and the founder of the BPSAA. The BPSAA stands for, as you said, the Blockchain Privacy, Security and Adoption Alliance. And basically it was founded to get projects together to collaborate and create interoperability amongst each other. Because in crypto today, everyone's pretty much pigeonholed in their own project and, kind of fights other projects, whereas we want to actually get everyone together and work together, because that's the true intent of crypto. So not only that, we're focusing on educating the public on privacy and security and blockchain, as well as adoption and bringing people in and teaching them, the advantages of blockchain and, getting them up to speed on, how to use crypto and how to, use wallets and so forth. So, and the more educated we can make the public, the better off we are as a whole. So.
Fabulous. And the other members of the BPSAA, and I hope I can remember them all. So piratechain, Etho Protocol, Turtle Network, Sentinel, Ergo Platform, Komodo, BitTube,
Dragon Chain,
Burst. That's right. And all of them have been on my channel before and will be on my channel again. Great, thank you. And Fadi, do you want to tell us a little bit about Opolo, please?
Yes, Opolo is one of the most secure hardware wallet with EL6+ secure element and also an external audit. We have made the very secure device. At the same time, we have made it very easy and simple to use because at the moment in industry, if you want to go for mass adoption, we need something which is simple and easy to use, not like something very techy because mostly people don't know much about tech. So we wanted to make a hardware wallet which is easy to use and as secure or even more secure than the current ones. So that's what Opolo is. We think that as everybody is going to be their own bank, so for a bank, you need the security also, which is the same standard as the bank. So what we did, we took the same chip as the banks use in the credit cards, and we put it into the Opolo wallet. So it will give you your seeds same security as the banks have given to your fiat currency. So that's what Opolo is, and at the same time, it's easy to use and simple to use. So mostly people when they are going for mass adoption, the cryptocurrencies in the future or soon or maybe already started mass adoption, so they can use easily this wallet.
Yes, fabulous, and it is easy to use. It is the one that I'm going to be using. I just need to set it up, and I'm going to be recording an unboxing video very shortly, which will be on my channel. I've unboxed it before, and the thing I like about it, I want people to know, it allows you to choose your own seed, and then to create several different wallets off that seed. And the secure element means that if anybody gets hold of the wallet, they cannot get inside. They can't get the private keys. But that has happened with some of the more established hardware wallets like KeepKey and Ledger and Treasure, that if somebody gets physical possession of it, they're able to get the private keys out of the device because it's not as secure as the Opolo.io. Okay. Now, then let me ask you, Father, you applied to join the BPSAA, and application is free. Any project can apply, provided it's consistent. It can align itself with the ethos of privacy, security, and mass adoption. So, why did you apply? What was the process like?
Process was simple, very easy. We applied. The main reason why we applied was like we see that BPSA is doing a very crucial and good job in terms of privacy-based clients and security. Security-wise, they are very security-minded people. So, what the Opolo aim is to give, because mostly people don't know much about security. People take it very simple, very easy. They do risky things like putting their wallets or seed on a computer or on a smartphone. And I don't know how many thousands of apps they have installed from different vendors, from different hackers. They take too much risk of their crypto. So what Opolo wants, we want to educate people so that they know if they have a freedom of their financial freedom, and if they have a bank with a lot of money into it, they also should know how to handle it, how to safeguard it, and make a castle around it so nobody can penetrate and get into and hold or snatch or steal their a lot of wealth, crypto wealth, if they are so crypto rich,
You don't want to lose your crypto riches.
Yeah. BPSA quite.
Sorry, Fadi, your sound's gone.
I don't know why.
Okay,
Yep,
it's back
there
now.
we go.
It's back again.
Okay. So we want to also educate all the BPSA projects. We want to help them if they want to join our Opolo wallet. They can also work with us. We can develop Opolo wallet. We can integrate their clients. We can educate their communities. We can work with them. We can tell them how to make this thing secure. Even if you are not using an Opolo wallet, we can educate them. If you want to keep your things secure, for example, don't put your seed on a computer, or don't put your seed or take a picture on the mobile phone with your seed, and then you have 10, 20, 30 other apps which are listening to your data and just sending data to maybe, I don't know, Chinese, Russian, or wherever, to some hackers, and you lose the money. I mean, recently I was hearing there was a New York-based some company, and they raised some like $13-14 million, and they were putting on some hot wallet on a mobile phone, and then they were wondering where the money goes. I mean, if you are so, I'm talking about a company who are doing the crypto stuff and who have already, I don't know, raised some token and launched some token and raised some money, and that was the security mindedness or seriousness you can see from the people. So we really have to educate a lot of people, not only companies but also to the masses, people about the crypto security.
All right. Thank you. So that's why you applied, out of your commitment to further security for people with their crypto. And then Dre, so Fadi applies, or Opolo applies. So what happens next? And then what sort of auditing did you do?
Yeah, so the first thing we do is we take that application and put it in front of all the members of the BPSAA to review, do their due diligence as far as research and things like that. And then once enough time has gone by, we throw up a vote to see, whether we should move forward with this application and interview Opolo. So that passed with flying colors. And then we pulled in Fatty for an interview. And then so he explained his project. All the members, asked him questions that they had, or, if there were any concerns, which I don't think there really were any. And, just continued through that. That lasted about maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And then from that point, we had that whole thing is recorded. So the other members who couldn't make it could, or other people from other projects could hear it and just listen to the interview and then post any questions that they had. And which I don't think there actually were any questions on that end. So from that point, we threw up another vote to see if we should implement them and pull them into the BPSAA, which that also passed with flying colors. And then we notified Fatty.
Yep, very good. And there's a few steps that I know happened with Opolo, which was that they sent a wallet to one of the team at BPSAA, so they could actually examine the wallet and have a look at it and take it apart. And then what happens with any project that applies for the BPSAA? You've got the members of the BPSAA, which includes, social media wizards and dev wizards from Komodo and Dragon Chain and the other projects, all looking and taking this project apart. That is it credible? Is it viable? Is it really, really a good project? So there's a very strict vetting process. And I think that Opolo has passed that vetting process to now become a partner.
Yep.
Speaks a lot about the work that you, Fadi, have done, and your co-founder and the team at Opolo. So thank you. Now,
and thank you to Dretz and BPSA for taking us inside.
Yes,
absolutely.
Now, Opolo are partners, not members.
Correct.
What's the difference between that, and what does that
mean? The difference is with a partnership, it's more of a surface level deal where essentially it's for one specific thing, and we only require a few things, rather than, say, with a membership, we require that their team integrates and also basically has a say in the decisions that we do, because I try to make it as democratic as possible, and as well as requiring them to collaborate on social media posts and integrate, like, whenever products are created, potentially creating some interoperability among them and things like that. So it's a lot heftier of a requirement for a member, and generally a member is an actual a crypto project, that has its own coins or tokens and so forth.
Yeah, because all the 9 that I mentioned earlier are projects with their own coins and tokens, and Opolo is not. It's a hardware wallet, a really great hardware wallet.
Yeah.
And now I know that Opolo has Komodo already integrated, and I know that Opolo also has Etho Protocol already integrated.
Mm-hmm.
What does it mean for what Opolo is going to do or not do for the other cryptocurrency projects that are part of the BPSAA?
What do you mean?
Well, are the other coins and tokens going to be integrated?
Yep, that's the plan. Yeah. So.
That is the plan. Very good. And in particular, piratechain. Piratechain needs a hardware wallet fast. but that will take time. And there's no guarantee.
Oh, yeah.
I understand that's the intention anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. And then, Fadi, anything you want to say about integrating the other coins and tokens? What's involved? How long it takes?
Yeah, our main aim is to integrate as many coins as our customers are requiring. So the more requests we get from the customers, we go for that coin and we integrate as soon as possible. If there are some other coins, other projects who wants us to integrate, they approach us. And we help them how they can integrate. We give them code access and everything, and they can integrate on their own, or we can help them with integration. So it's more like depending on how many users of Opolo need that coin. For example, if piratechain bring us 1,000 users, I will say, okay, I can let my developers work on piratechain, and they can integrate with piratechain, start integrating on that.
Piratechain will bring you millions. You'll be the first hardware wallet that will have piratechain. It'll bring you millions.
So it depends on the customers, how many customers are using this product. So and we can do it for free, this integration. But if there is not so many customers, because I'm not talking about only piratechain. I'm talking about generally of any coin. So, for example, if there is some coin, there are, I think, more than 20,000, or I don't know how many thousand coins and tokens out there. So everybody's approaching us. Everybody say, integrate us. But the problem is we have a limited resources, and we have to focus on the product, what we have made and what we are supporting already. We want to make it first. Our first priority is what we have done should be working smoothly without problems. And once we cross that place, then we will start integrating more and more coins and more tokens and more staking options. Then every coin has different things also, like staking and this and that and the tokens. And so we have to also expand on that direction. So how much we have to expand, so it all depends on the project to project. And at the moment, we are currently very focused on releasing or making a stable product. Our product is still in beta version, and we are getting bug fixes and all the stuff. So we want that it stabilize it, and then we of course will love to integrate piratechain and all the other coins.
Very good.
One thing I want to mention too is that not only becoming a partner or a member shows that you get co-marketing and all this other stuff with it, but the big thing is that what our aim is to especially with partnerships to show that when they have that our logo on their site, BPSAA partner and things like that, it's a stamp of approval in a sorts where we say it's basically saying this is a high quality product or service that we approve of, and that's the type of thing that we're trying to display everywhere with our partnerships and things like that.
Okay, that is fabulous. That is fabulous. And by the way, I don't know if this will show up against my green screen. It's not showing up on the green screen.
Yes,
You can see, okay, against my face. So this is the Opolo wallet. Here, you can see. And I'm going to do a video about it. It's disappearing. Maybe I'll just show a picture as well over this video. I'll overlay it.
You should disable your green screen.
You'll see my bedroom. I haven't tidied up.
We want to see that mess.
No, my wife will be upset. Okay. Now, one of the things I want to point out, Vardy, is that Opolo uses open source technology, so people can go and check it. And you also mentioned earlier it's had an external audit, so it uses open source technology so that any projects can integrate their own coins. They can
download the code and they can integrate themselves.
Yeah, and then the other thing that I'm particularly excited about, because I've been covering Opolo, I think, for over 2 years now. So over 2 years ago when you and I first met online, and we haven't met in person.
It was long time
ago.
Convincing these auditors and doing all the stuff they have told us to do. I mean, it was a very lengthy stuff we have done. A lot of changes, a lot of fixes, a lot of things before going to the market because we want to be a secure device in the because we don't want to take any risks.
Absolutely not. So I've been covering it for a while, and one of the things that I think Opolo is going to benefit, like all the other BPSAA partners and members, is the reach, the social media reach. Like piratechain has just gone through the roof in terms of its price and the interest in it, and I like to think the other projects have benefited as well by riding on piratechain shirt tails, because people are saying, oh, piratechain is a member of the BPSAA. Well, let me check this one out. Let me check that one out. Okay. Any last words from either of you? Anything you guys want to say that we haven't covered that you think is important for people to know?
Yes. From my side, number one thing for the people, take care of the security of your cryptocurrencies. Don't put the seeds on the desktop or on the mobile phones. Or if you have a bigger amounts, don't use even hot wallet, because hot wallets, they are constantly connected with internet, constantly sending and receiving data. Nobody knows which hot wallets you use, and nobody knows who has made that, and nobody knows where the data is going. So it's like you are playing with fire, and you can get burned very quickly. It's just a matter of time when it would happen. So just if you have a small amount, it's okay. You can take that risk, but for bigger amounts, don't even think about that. And secondly, we will be very happy to work together with BPSA community, and I would love to. I was already saying to Imran, oh, maybe I should also buy or get some pirate coins.
You definitely should. You definitely should.
I also love the project, and I also saw we have recently done Monero integration, and it was so long time to work on the Monero. These privacy-based coins are very difficult to integrate. So because of these ring signatures and all the stuff, I don't see much about the technology behind the piratechain. But of course, we would be happy to integrate piratechain and all the other coins BPSA has. It may take some time. It maybe we can help them, and they can directly take our code and start working on them.
Very good. I've got an idea. So this is the Opolo wallet. I'm going to send you some piratechain. You're going to set up a wallet. Send me the address. I'm going to send you some piratechain, because that will incentivize you to get piratechain integrated into this. Okay.
Okay. Sure, I'll do that.
And by the way, I just got to say, my affiliate link is in the description below for the wallet. Bit.ly.
By the way, last thing, we are having Kickstarter. I think today is 2nd of May, 1st of May. So in a few days, 7th of May, we have last day of the Kickstarter, and we will stop our 47% discount. So 7th May is the last day to get the 47% discount on Opolo. So go and get one.
Yep, I'll link to that. I'll have a little ad for that as well in this video. Drake, anything for you?
Yeah, following along what Fadi said, basically match your keys or seed phrase, not your coins. So
Exactly.
that's the thing that everyone says, and it holds true to everything. So
Right.
make sure that you have your keys and seed phrase secure in a good location to where nobody else can take them. And yeah, check us out at bpsaa.vision for more information on the BPSAA, all our members, and what we aim to do, and so forth.
Yep, absolutely do that. Keep your crypto safe on a hardware wallet. Check out bpsaa.vision. Subscribe to my channel because I cover the BPSAA projects. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich and Crypto Fadi and Crypto Draith signing out. All the best. Bye-bye. Now, if you're like me, I bet you're involved in cryptocurrencies because you want to secure your financial future. Take a look at Token Metrics. Their AI and their team of experts will help you find under-the-radar altcoins that you can invest in order to maximize your gains. Get a 10% discount using my code. You also can get a week's trial for a handful of dollars. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Link in the description below.